Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your Facebook page name. So just ensure you follow this tutorial step by step so you don't miss any step of the process. So go to the Facebook page you want to change the name. So right here I'll click on this drop down arrow and I'll go to sales information. So assuming I want to change this page name, so it's switching already. So right here click on this hamburger icon up here. So once you click on that, then go to where you have setting and privacy. Can you see that? Now click on setting. So once you click on setting right here, then you look for where you have page setup. Scroll down and look for where you have page setup. Can you see that? So tap on page setup, then over here you choose name and put in the new name you want to use. So assuming I want to change this name from sales information to sales community, then I get to edit it and put in the new name right there. So I'll click on review change and right here I'll click on submit for approval. Once I click on submit for approval, you can see it has been changed for us. So let's go and check if truly it has been changed. So I'll go to the page itself. Sales information is still showing, but let's refresh this page and see for ourselves if it will carry the new name. Can you see that? Sales community. And that is basically how you go about changing your Facebook page name. So I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.